everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a big issue that has been making headlines, the massive layoffs across the tech industry, with big names like Apple, Google, Tesla and Amazon making significant cuts. In the recent month, over 70,000 tech employees have faced layoffs globally. But why?
And major companies announced job cuts, including Amazon and Google's parent Alphabet. The two tech giants are reversing the hiring sprees they went on during the pandemic and cutting hundreds of jobs across multiple divisions.
Starting with Apple, the tech giant has laid over 614 employees for its special project group. This is notably the first major job cut since the pandemic began. Over at Google, the scenario is somewhat similar but broader. Google has cut a significant number of roles across various teams, including those working on programming languages like Python and Flutter. So they are doing it to minimize the employee cost and maximize the business profit. And this is coming from Google. Pretty strange, right? Now let's talk about Amazon. AWS, also known as Amazon's cloud service, isn't immune either. Hundreds of roles have been slashed down across sales, marketing, and tech team. Big news from Tesla. Nearly 500 employees from the Supercharger group are being laid off as CEO Elon Musk take drastic steps to cut costs amid falling sales. Well, these layoffs are a stark reminder of the volatile nature of the tech industry, which is constantly evolving and sometimes unpredictably so. What do you think the future holds of these companies and their employees? So if you found this video interesting, in the description you'll find some links to an article which is written by Geekflare, where we have discussed all the things that you need to know about these layoffs. What are the problems that we are facing right now? The AI race is causing these layoffs or not? So everything is in the description box. And if you found this video interesting, do tell us your thoughts in the comment section and make sure to subscribe and like. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.